Hello everyone, this is Mihika Singhania and today I am going to take you through the fabulous world of coding and creativity. Today we are going to learn how to create an interactive profile app. We are going to be using an efficient software, Thunkable. In Thunkable, you can build your own mobile app and make a desired platform. Without any further ado, let's start creating. Here I have created a basic profile app which lets you know a little about myself and my interests. Let me now explain you how you can make a similar app with your own creative inputs. First, log in or sign up to Thunkable. Now, create a new app and enter a desired title. For example, here I have entered Mihika's profile. Yeah, and click on create. Now you will get a blank screen which is titled as screen 1. You can go to add components and you can add components such as images and labels. So you can take images and you can drag and drop. After dragging and dropping your component, you can start to design it. So I have dragged and dropped an image component. Now I want to upload my own image. Now you can go to picture and for default it will show no file source. When you click there, it will show upload files. You can click on the upload files option and you can upload a file from your device. For example, I have entered a file here. Now when you reload it, you will be able to see the changes. You can also change the size from height and width. If it's suppose it's 150p here, you can make it 200. You can make it 200 and you can change the height and width both. Next up, you can add labels to display your own text. So you can write any text here. I have written my name here. You can even change the size of the font by here, font size. So I've changed it to 20. You can change the color of this font to any color, to your desired color. You can also change the background of the color of the text here. You can also change the font style. It can be italic and other advanced options. Also, you can add more components such as buttons, labels, text inputs, which I'll be telling you further, and you can be your own creative self. I have created this app. So let me tell you what all I have added and how have I done it. So here I have first added this background image. Now below it I have my own picture with my name written below. Further, I have written a tagline and have attached a star animation. Next, I have put up a headline saying my interests. I have put 4 GIFs, each of them are things I love to do with their names written below. That was all for the main design. You can yourself innovate and add or create more stuff. Let's now learn how could you make this profile speak. Now, for making your app speak, you need to add an invisible component, which is the text to speech component. For that, you go to the add component section and search for text to speech. Now from voice, you can drag and drop it. This element will provide a voice to your app. This is easy. Now, here's a plus point. You can even change the accent of your app from default language. I have changed the default language to Hindi so that it can speak in an Indian accent. We have added the text to speech component, but for making it speak, we have to go to blocks and program the app. So go to screen 1 and add this loop, which is of screen 1 opens. Now from control, you can even add these wait blocks and the voice will wait. You can add wait 1 second, wait 2 seconds and further. Next, you can go to text to speech 1 and add this. In text to speech 1, call speak and it will display text here and you can write the text. So this is something which it will show. and you can type your text here. This is what you can do. Now let me explain what will this code do, which I've already programmed. So when screen 1 opens, it will wait for 1 second. Then in text to speech, it will speak welcome to my profile app. Then it will wait for 2 seconds. Again, in text to speech 1, it will speak hi, Mihika Singhania this side. I am someone who loves creativity. This is what will happen. Right. We are now ready with our app. It is designed and it is coded. It can even speak now. Now you can bring it to your mobile and make it more fun. So go to download and you can download an iOS app or an Android app, and then you can share it on your phone and similarly install it.
Welcome to my profile app. Hi, Mihika Singhania this side. I am someone who loves creativity. I am a 6th grader. You can get to know my interests here. I love writing, painting, baking, and much more fun stuff. I can be a good company. Thank you. Do come back.